Hey there, welcome back to AI Bot. Today, we have an exciting and unique tutorial for all of you content creators out there. We're going to show you how to create 600 Reels and YouTube Shorts using the power of AI, specifically Chat GPT, and then automate the video creation process using Canva.com. It's a game changer for a faceless YouTube channel. Let's dive in. First things first, we need content. And that's where AI comes into play. We're going to use Chat GPT, a powerful language model, to generate 600 YouTube Shorts script. I asked Chat GPT to write 600 riddles about guessing the country by emoji and divide into 2 columns. I'll give this prompt in the description, so you can get from there. Chat GPT gave us the riddle, but there's something wrong. So I asked Chat GPT to add the plus sign between the emoji. This time Chat GPT did a great job. But you can see it only gives me 10 riddles. So write more in the prompt. Chat GPT gives you more riddles. We need to save these riddles in the spreadsheet. So open a spreadsheet and save these riddles. Now, our first step is done. We need to move to the second step. Now that we have our scripts, it's time to bring them to life with visuals. We're using Canva.com, a user-friendly design platform. In Canva, search for YouTube Shorts, then select any template. First, remove all the scenes in the video. Then go to the Element tab, search for animated background. Go to the video section, you can see many backgrounds here, and select anyone who looks better in your video. Set this video as a background video. So, go to the Text tab, and add a text box, and you can also type T from the keyboard to add a text box. Then go to the spreadsheet, copy the first emoji box, and paste the text here. You can set this text box in the frame like this, and adjust the text according to your needs. Then add a new text box, and type, guess the country. Set this text box at the top. You can style this text box according to your need. I am sure you can style better than me. Then go to the Elements tab and search for a timer or a 5-second timer. Select any timer. Then, in the Elements section, search for a circle. And go to the Frame tab and select the circle frame. Then set the timer video in the frame like this. Here comes the most important part of the video. So, don't skip this part. So, press the right click in the timer and click the Show Timing. We need to adjust the time of the video and how much time is given to the user to guess the riddles. So, set this timer and appear on the screen after 2 seconds. Now adjust the emoji box. So, click the emoji box and set this when the timer is 0, it also disappears. After doing this step, add a new text box and go to the spreadsheet, copy the first answer, and paste it into the text box. Then click the Show Timing. And set the timing. After the timer is gone, the answer appears on the screen. Then we add animation to our video to attract more viewers. You can edit text styles and add good color combinations in the video.so. Our video is almost done. Now, we need to create 600 shorts. For this, click the App tab and search for Bulk Create. Click the Bulk Create, then click the Enter Date manually. Go to the bottom and click the Clear Table. Then go to the spreadsheet and copy all the riddles. And paste the data here. Make sure to paste from the top. Click the Done button. First, select the emoji box, click the Connect Data, and select the Emoji tab. Then select the Answer box, click the Connect Data, and select the Answer tab. Once you see this, both boxes' sign is Yes. Then, click the Generate button. Now our shorts are ready. You can also music in the video. To download this short video, click the Share button, click the Download button, and make sure to download this short as a separate file. Using AI like Chat GPT to generate scripts ensures that you have a variety of content ideas. Canva.com, on the other hand, streamlines the video creation process, making it faster and more manageable. If you're looking to make your mark on the YouTube Shorts and Reels platforms, this method could be a game changer for your content creation process. That's it for today's tutorial on creating 600 Reels and YouTube Shorts for a faceless YouTube channel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. And, as always, if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.